Yo, what's up guys? Victor here with another Everything Technology video. Happy New Year, it's finally 2020. I'm super excited for this year. I'm gonna be focusing a lot on the growth side of things when it comes to this channel. So I'm gonna be pushing out a lot of videos. In fact, I have plenty of content lined up for you guys this year. Be sure you're part of the notification squad by clicking on that bell icon. That way you're notified every single time I drop a brand new video. And if you're not already subscribed, click on that subscribe button. But that's not what you guys clicked on for this video. I'm teaming up with Harris, Kevin, and Fisayo to give away the brand new Samsung Galaxy A51 smartphone. If you haven't heard of this phone, it's actually pretty comparable to the Galaxy A51, but I'm gonna go ahead and read out some specs to you guys. It has a full HD panel, 6.5 inches with a cutout, one of those hole punch cutouts. Very comparable to some of the flagship phones you get from Samsung. It also has a 4,000 milliamp battery capacity, so expect some pretty good battery life with the smartphone. 48 megapixel sensor, so you get some pretty crispy detailed pictures, and it's capable of recording 4K videos. You also have 4 or 6 gigs of RAM depending on which configuration you get. And it comes with 64 or 128 gigabytes of storage, which can be expanded with a micro SD card. Anyway, that's enough of the specs. That doesn't really mean much. It's all about real life performance at the end of the day. But let me finally get to the point. You guys are worried about how to enter into this giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe to all of our channels and comment below on all of our videos. That way we know who to pick. I'll be announcing the winner 2 weeks from now on Twitter, so make sure you're followed at Victor's Fits. But that is really it. Once again, all you have to do is subscribe and comment on our videos in order to enter into this giveaway. And good luck. I'm super excited once again for this year. Happy New Year's. Let me know in the comment section what you guys are most excited for this year. If you have any video suggestions or any ideas you have in mind that you'd like to see me produce a video on, drop it down in the comment section. I'm always open to suggestions. And yeah, the main focus for this year would be growth, and I'm super excited to grow this channel this year. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing all of you guys in the next couple videos. Bye.